This video will help us understand the method or steps to the bottoms-up method of factoring a quadratic. The first step is always look for a GCF. Step 1, look for a greatest common factor. In this problem, each of these numbers is divisible by something. 5. 5 will go into each and every one. And I don't like factoring with a negative in front, so I'm going to include a negative on my GCF. Include that negative. So I'm going to divide each of these terms by negative 5. That gives us 6x squared minus 11x plus 3. The next step in the bottoms-up method is the AC and B. This is now in standard form. We have ax squared plus bx plus c. We want to find two factors that multiply to AC, A times C, that add up to B. So we're going to take 6, our A value, times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 18. I'm going to look for factors of 18 that add up to the middle, add up to negative 11. Well, obviously 6 and 3 are factors of 18. 9 times 2, or 1 times 18. I try to find two of them that will add up to negative 11 if I get the signs just right. Hopefully you came to the conclusion it was 9 and 2. The signs need to both be negative in order for these to add up to negative 11. Negative 9 and negative 2. They will multiply to give me positive 18, but add up to negative 11. They will multiply to equal positive 18, but add up to negative 11. Okay, big X. The two numbers that multiply to give me 18 that add up to negative 11 are negative 9 and negative 2. And if you swap sides with the negative 2 and negative 9, that doesn't matter. The next step is to divide by A, which in this case, A is 6. We're going to divide by A, or 6 in this case, and then simplify our fractions. Okay, 2 and 6 both divide by 2, so we have negative 1/3. I divided these both by 2. And 9 and 6 are both divisible by 3, which gives us negative 3/2. Okay, we then write our factors. Don't forget the GCF. The number we pulled out at the beginning, negative 5, is our GCF. We need to put that on the beginning of our factors. So negative 5 goes first. Then we're going to write x minus 1/3 and x minus 3/2. Now the bottom's up. The number on the bottom goes up in front of the x. So our answer, or our factors, are negative 5, 3x minus 1, and 2x minus 3. This is an equivalent expression to what we started with. We started with, what was it, negative 30x squared plus 55x minus 15. This is an equivalent expression. One's called factored form. And the bottom one here is called standard form. Both forms are helpful and useful in different situations, and it becomes very useful to change from one form to the other in some cases. We're going to practice more and more of this. Let me know what you think or if you need help.